Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get to it. Hey. Anyway, let me tell y'all, I love doing my edges, especially now the Microlocs in. I can keep my edges laid. I want it to look cute. Not saying if you don't do your edges, it won't look cute. But anyway, it's how I feel. I use gel all the time. I'm like, dang, I need to find something healthy. So this is what I did. I use Aloe Vera Gel. You can get it from your grocery store. Walmart has it. So let's get to it. So go ahead and put that baby down.
Where?
And let's get started.
This is the aloe vera leaf or a stem, whatever you want to call it. I cut the ends. I cut a big chunk off of it. Then I cut the ends off, and now I'm cutting it open. It's so slimy and gooey. I cut that part off. The part that you want is the inside. This big piece of jelly that's just sitting there. There it is. And I got a small cup. You need something to put it in. Right here I have some pantyhose. One of the easiest things to do because all you have to do is squeeze it through the pantyhose and it'll come right out. I'm crushing it a little bit with the knife. Be careful with this part. Now I'm squeezing it, all the gel I can, into the cup. And this was a pretty big chunk I used. Which you really don't have to use a big chunk. I just used a big piece because this is my first time doing it, so you know. And now I'm squeezing it, just squeezing all the gel that I can inside this little cup. There you have it. I have enough gel for my edges. And here we go. Got my edge brush and I'm brushing them up. And y'all, this is my first time using the edge brush. Using the edge brush. I usually don't use these. I usually use a toothbrush, but I just wanted to see what all the hype was about because I see them a lot on YouTube. Got one side on out the way. I do like the comb on the end now. That's something that a toothbrush can't offer, is that comb on the end. To comb the edge, just to swoop it on around. There we go. Gotta make sure it's right. Now move on to the next side. And I'm doing the same thing as I just did before. And y'all, I wore my edges just like this all day. And they did not budge. They look like this at the end. I mean, this aloe vera is really the truth. It held my edges down. And usually, they just roll right back up. But this time, they stay put. So, I do like using the aloe vera gel. It works very good. And no, it does not have a smell. If you're cutting the aloe vera gel right off, like I just did, it does not have a smell. It does not stink. The only way your aloe vera will stink if you leave it out and it just sits on the counter and rots overnight. Cannot leave it out. When you're done with your gel, and if you have some more left over, just put it in the refrigerator. And then it won't stink. And there I go. Got them edges laid the best way I know how. Bam.